Southern Meatloaf Recipe. This home-style Southern meatloaf recipe features both ground beef and ground pork sausage, green bell pepper and onion, and a sweet tomato topping. Ingredients: 2 pounds lean ground beef, 1 pound ground pork sausage, 18 saltine crackers, crushed, 1/2 green bell pepper, diced, 1/2 onion, finely chopped, 2 large eggs, lightly beaten, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, 1/2 cup firmly packed brown sugar, divided, 1/2 cup ketchup. Preparation: preheat oven to 350 degrees. Combine first 8 ingredients and 1/4 cup brown sugar in a medium bowl just until blended. Place mixture in a lightly greased 11x 7-inch baking dish, and shape mixture into a 10x 5-inch loaf. Bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Remove from oven, and drain. Stir together ketchup and remaining 1/4 cup brown sugar, pour over meatloaf. Bake 15 more minutes or until a meat thermometer inserted into thickest portion registers 160 degrees. Remove from oven, let stand 20 minutes. Remove from baking dish before slicing.